In today's video, I will show you how to hide contacts or chat on WhatsApp. So all you have to need, go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app and find out the contact that you want to hide. Now just slide to the left side on the contact and here tap on archive. And then the chat will be removed from your WhatsApp home page and the chat will store in archived folder just like this. And if you want to unhide the chat, just go to the archived folder, again slide to the left side on the chat, tap on unarchive to unhide the chat. And here's another way to hide chat. Open the chat on your WhatsApp, then tap on the chat name at the top. In here you have to scroll down and tap on lock chat. So you have to enable lock chat for the specific conversation. Tap on continue and verify your Face ID. Once you successfully verified, the chat will be locked. Now you have to use your Face ID to unlock the specific chat just like this. And all of your locked chat will be stored in this locked chat folder at the top of your chat list. Just tap on that, verify your Face ID or passcode, and then you'll be able to access the locked chat. Thanks for watching.